satin.
What are we doing here? We're about to build. What are we building?
A bench.
Okay. Alright, so this is our project. We're about to build a little DIY bench for outside. We're getting our yard together.
Yes,
we are. Plants out here, and we're gonna be growing some fruits and vegetables. So we're gonna have it nice.
Beautiful. It is all the way up there.
So we're gonna hook it up.
Yes.
So this is the start of our DIY backyard projects that we're gonna be doing this summer. And this is the oldest kid. Yeah, that's him. That one right there. And then that is the youngest kid. Yeah, that one right there. Don't they look like twins? And then we got our 4x4 posts and our center block. So watch us work. So in this clip right here, you see me. I'm kind of frustrated because I couldn't get the cement to come out. I couldn't get out, but what you had to do was like poke a hole in it because it's dry at the tip. So yeah, figured it out, but I was frustrated in the beginning. So right now I'm staining the wood and giving it a good coat, and that's it. This is my space. Me and Amin. We made this bench.
Someone just eating it. I don't know.
Yeah, we probably gotta find a better way.
It's so good.
And I got this bamboo gate. I gotta get another one. And then we have our LED lights. But I wanna get some more so it'll be a little bit brighter.
Yeah, she chopped
And
this
then here's
one.
our grass. And that's our little space for now, but I'm gonna make it a little bit better. But my little zen spot, and I'm gonna grow some flowers and I'm gonna put them on like on the top.